just have to have something sweet. Nutritionist Fiona.
Oh.
Alessia Cara.
Yeah, Alessia. Minnie, just take. What is going on, Abate family? Thank you guys so much once again for tuning into another video today. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris Abate. Thank you guys for clicking on my channel, Abate TV. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. So guys, today's video, we are actually going to a place called Rock Glen. We're gonna do some exploring. We're gonna do some hiking. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, so we're starting this vlog off just a little bit late. Alyssa had to work till 4 p.m. today, so I mean, you know what? Actually, it's kind of good because in a way, it was just hot as freaking out today. It was burning, man. Like, it was probably a good 90 degrees with the humidity. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna do a lot of exploring, a lot of hiking, a lot of footage for you guys. What happened? Did you get a sub? What did you get?
Got some milk.
You got some chocolate milk? Or did you get white milk?
I got the white milk.
Oh. But anyways, guys, it's a 45-minute drive, so you know what?
Gotta get going.
Gotta get going. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. I will see you in a second for you guys, but for us, it's about an hour, so see y'all there. Hey! Alrighty, you guys, so we finally freaking made it, man. It didn't take as long as it said it would, but what are you doing?
I need my phone.
So yes, we have made it. We got a little mini map. It's very crappy though. Look at this map.
Very small.
Look at this map, guys. Really? What are we supposed to do with this paper? Looks like they drew it themselves in about 2 minutes. Yeah, guys, like I said, we're gonna do some hiking, exploring. We don't really know what we're doing. We're just kind of doing it. Just here doing it because we've never been here before. Whoa, man, guys, check it out. We finally made it to the falls. This is literally so beautiful. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I'm gonna go hiking up there. Way up there. Gotta go a little bit of a hill sprint. Exercise. Oh no, I'm literally sliding. Oh my God. I don't know if I can get down. Oh no, we're good. I was like sliding. All right. We're good, guys. We're good. We're good. You good?
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
We're good. Alrighty, guys. I think it's time to go check out the falls, man. This is awesome. Let's go. Whoa. Guys. This is beautiful. The video literally doesn't do it justice, but it's so nice. What are you doing over there? Should I go in? Should I go in? Huh? I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna see how close I can get. Woo!
It's all solid.
Oh, that's good. Huh?
Look how burnt I am.
You are pretty burnt. Guys, I want to get to that side over there, but I don't know how deep it is, and I didn't bring my bathing suit. Is it? Oh my god. I'm gonna see how deep I can get in though. Oh. What's that? No. Is it deep? Oh, you don't know if it's deep? I don't know if it's deep, man. I've never been here. I'm going to test it out. Here, I'm gonna roll up my pants. It's okay, I'm gonna roll up my pants just to make sure. All right, you test it out first.
I don't swim.
It can't be higher than your knees. Maybe there's a secret hole. You never know. All right, going in. Yeah, that's for you guys. I'm going in. Alligators? Yeah. You guys know if there's alligators in here? Oh, I don't know if I could do this.
You should have kept going. It probably didn't get deep.
I don't know, I'm gonna try to make it to the other side. Alright guys, dramatic music coming in. Dramatic. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. Two.
You are so.
Oh, this must be the other side. Wow. See guys, that's, I don't know if you can see it, but all the way down there, that's where we were. And now we're up here on like some balcony. Holy crap. Guys, we just took like a flight of stairs that, was it like 500, maybe like 600 stairs we just took? Look at this. My god. Stairs are unbelievable. Hey look, Gatorade. Oh my god, there's another flight of stairs. Oh yay, I can't wait to climb this flight of stairs. This is gonna be so much fun. My legs are about to fall off. Look at this. Guys, what the frickin'? But
Look how sweaty I am.
did you have fun? Alrighty guys, that was good. There wasn't like, I don't know, we didn't walk through the whole park. There's literally so much to see. We were down at the falls for probably about an hour. I jumped in and it was frickin' amazing. It's cold, but it was frickin' amazing. And yeah, walked through like the trails, the woods a little bit. It was a good time, man. It brought me back to Costa Rica. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, family. Love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video.
Good night.
You up when you're heading down, when it